planet. He'll go down as the best shooter in league history.
He's the modern MJ.
I believe that the best player in the world is Steph Curry.
He's calm about it, which is extremely deadly.
Obviously, he played with one of the greatest point guards of all time, Steph Curry. Have another one.
He's a four-time